Need to renew your Indian passport urgently while living in the US. Indian government offers a Tatkal passport service, which is an emergency passport service program. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, including the forms, fees, and documents you need. Let's get started. To apply for Tatkal passport service, applicant must be residing in the USA and have a valid passport and valid visa status. However, if you are applying for a lost, stolen, or damaged passport, renewing for a shorter validity, or changing your name, sex, appearance, signature, or parent's name as well as correction in date or place of birth, you will not be eligible to apply under Tatkal passport scheme. First, find out which Indian consulate has jurisdiction over your US state. Go to VFS Global's website and choose your state to see which consulate you should apply to. This is important because every consulate has slightly different instructions and addresses. There are 6 consulates general of India across the United States: Seattle, San Francisco, Houston, Chicago, Atlanta, and New York, with the main Indian embassy located in Washington, D.C. Indians residing in California, Nevada, Utah, Arizona, Hawaii, and the Territory of Guam should send their application package to the Consulate General in San Francisco. Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, and Alaska to the Consulate General in Seattle. Colorado, New Mexico, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, and Louisiana to the Consulate General in Houston. Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, Tennessee, Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands to the Consulate General in Atlanta. Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Michigan, Indiana, Illinois, and Missouri to the Consulate General in Chicago. Ohio, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine to the Consulate General in New York. Kentucky, North Carolina, West Virginia, and Virginia, Washington, D.C., Maryland, Delaware, and Bermuda to the Embassy in Washington, D.C. Let's start with Step 1. To renew your Indian passport, start by searching for the Indian Consulate website that serves your jurisdiction. Once you're on the site, navigate to the General Passport Information section and click on the link to the VFS Global website. In this video, we'll walk you through the application process for submitting your passport renewal by Tatkal. Click on Step 1 and choose USA from the list of countries. Then register to apply for your passport. Select your respective consulate, fill out the registration form, and submit it. You'll receive an activation email. Open it and click on the link to activate your account. Once activated, click on User Login, enter your login details, and proceed. On the next screen, choose Apply for Ordinary Passport to begin the renewal process. You'll now need to complete a 9-page application form. Select Reissue of Passport and then choose the reason for reissue. If you're requesting changes in your new passport, select the appropriate options. For most renewals, select Due to Expire as your reason. Select Tatkal. You'll need to pay an additional fee for this service. Finally, choose whether you want a 36 or 60-page passport booklet. Continue by entering the applicant's personal details, followed by family details. Next, fill in both your Indian and US addresses and respond appropriately to any alerts that pop up. Provide your emergency contact details in the US. Next, enter details about your previous passport and answer truthfully about any criminal record in India or the US. You will then see a preview of your passport details. This is how they'll appear on the final passport. Carefully review the information. If something needs correction, use the back button to make edits. And finally, review your application. Again, use the back button to make any changes and then scroll to the bottom of the page and fill in the place, city, and state in the US from where you're submitting the form, then click Submit. In Step 2, we will collect all the required documents. Click the link next to Step 2 and select Reissuance of Passport Tatkal service. This is the eligibility requirement for Tatkal services that we talked about earlier. The processing time for Tatkal service is 3 to 4 days, and for VFS services is 3 to 4 days. Therefore, a total of 8 to 10 is the normal processing time. This is the Tatkal fee for different categories. Here again, mention the 3 steps to apply for Tatkal service. Step 1 is the required documents, Step 2 is the online application, and Step 3, fee payment and appointment booking. Click on Step 1 to review the required documents. Click on the link to check the specifications of passport size photo requirements. You will need 2 passport size photos of 2 by 2 inches in size with a clear white background. Make sure there is no glare, no face covering, or a washed out picture or anything in the background. The first column is the mandatory requirements for the adults, and the second is for minors. In this video, we will go through the adult list. Fill the top panel. This is a reminder of eligibility again. Fill the top panel. The first mandatory document is the application you completed in Step 1. Print out the form and sign on pages 1 and 4. Affix one photo on the application form and the other on the change of appearance form. Send your original passport along with photocopies of all informational pages. The next required document is the change of appearance form. Click on the link to download the Affidavit template. If there is no change in your appearance, select the option Has Not. Tatkal service is not eligible if you are applying with a change in either appearance or signature. Affix one photo here and sign in the box provided. The change of appearance form must be notarized. Fill the top panel. Fill out Annexure E, which is the declaration form. Make sure to sign it. Submit a notarized colored copy of your legal status in the US. The most commonly used documents are a green card, visa, EAD, or 797 approval. Provide proof of your current US address. The most commonly accepted documents are a driver's license, state-issued ID, or a notarized copy of a utility bill, lease, or mortgage agreement. Fill out the top panel. Step 3 will walk you through the payment procedure, which we will cover in the next section. Provide any additional documents relevant to your case, such as a name change after marriage, or provide proof of your Indian address using any valid document that lists the address. Self-attest the document by writing true copy of original, signing and dating it. Be careful not to write over any important information. Fill out the top panel. Be sure to sign the checklist and include a signed copy in your final package. Here are some common mistakes people make that may delay the process: providing incorrect names or mismatched details across documents, forgetting to sign the required forms, printing on both sides of the paper. Only single-sided prints are accepted. Submitting handwritten documents is not accepted. Do not staple the photos or documents. If your application is missing any documents, you will have only 21 days to submit the missing items. Failure to do so means you will need to restart the process entirely. The third step is to pay the fees and book an appointment. So we have collected all the required documents and submitted the online application. Now it's time to pay the fees. Click on the link next to Step 3 section, complete questionnaire and create profile. Click on the passport icon. Fill out the Create New Application, Passport. Select Tatkal as the service type. Select Passport going to expire and decide whether you want a 5-year or 10-year validity. Under Choose your passport service category. Select your state of residence and then the consulate where you need to send your application. You can only submit the application via mail. Use a credit or debit card to pay for the fees. Select Yes for the legal status and select Adult, as in this video, we are applying as an adult. And then select your marital status. Select your booklet type and then click Proceed. The next screen will display the total fees that you need to pay. Click Proceed. It will ask you to register. Complete the registration form and then log in. On the next screen, click on Create New Application. Choose your center and select Reissuance of Passport from the application category. Then choose Passport Going to Expire and select whether you want a 5-year or 10-year validity. It is highly recommended to use online payment via debit or credit card if you plan to use VFS courier services. Next, click on Add Customer. Enter the reference number from the application form you completed in Step 1. Fill out the rest of the form. Make sure to select Tatkal in the services. Select whether you prefer a normal size passport or a jumbo size one. Choose the VFS provided FedEx courier service. Click on Additional Services and uncheck SMS and photo services unless you want SMS updates. Only select photo services if you are applying on-site. Based on your selections, your final fees will be displayed. Click Continue and validate your mailing address on the next screen. Accept the terms and conditions and confirm the application. In the next screen, make the payment using your credit or debit card. Once payment is confirmed, your FedEx label will then be generated. Print out the FedEx label and the receipt. Also, print the email receipt. As of 2025, most Indian consulates in the US allow Tatkal passport renewal via postal submission, but a few consulates require in-person appointments for Tatkal. Check your consulate website. If your consulate requires an in-person appointment, then go to Step 3 and click the link to book an appointment and pay the fee. Write your email to receive a one-time password. Get the password from the email. And once you validate the password, you can fill out the form to book an appointment and pay the fee. Make sure to select Tatkal in the services. Once you select your consulate, it will display the available appointments. Before we post the application, let's go over the mandatory checklist. First is the application form, then 2 passport-size photos. You also need to send your original Indian passport and photocopies of its informational pages, notarized copy of Affidavit of Change of Appearance, Annexure E, proof of your legal immigration status in the US, proof of your address in the US, printout of your fee receipt, signed copy of the checklist and email confirmation of the application. Don't forget to add any supporting documents related to your case. The final step is to post the application and supporting documents. Use only FedEx envelope. If you use any other envelope, then an extra fee will be charged. Glue or firmly tape the FedEx label to your package and drop it off at a designated FedEx location. Keep track of your passport renewal using the VFS tracking tool. You can also check the status on the Passport Seva portal. Once processed, your new passport and original documents will be shipped back to you. If you need your passport urgently, VFS offers Tatkal service for faster processing at an additional cost. I hope this video made your passport renewal journey simple and stress-free. If you have questions, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might need it. See you next time with more helpful step-by-step guides.